Hi students, this video is to just show you how to select some random data from a spreadsheet. So the spreadsheet I've got here has got it's just made up an ID number for every person who responded to a survey, their answers to question 1, question 2 and question 3. You don't have to worry about what those numbers and words mean. We just want to select 50 people out of the list of 100 there that I've made. So, easiest way to do this is to go to column A and use your right click to insert, and it just inserts another column, and you can give it a heading if you like, particularly if your computer is working properly. I'm just going to put random, and I'm going to use a formula here called equals rand, open bracket, close bracket. And that just produces a random number anywhere between 0 and 1. Now I'm going to copy that formula, which I can do just by putting my cursor on the little square at the corner there, till I get that black cross. Left click and drag down the entire column so that I've got a random number next to every person who answered the survey or their data. Then I go up to the data menu and just click the A to Z button, and that sorts the entire list by that column. Oh, I forgot to say, you've got to have one of the cells in that column selected. Okay, if you select a different column, it'll sort by that column. So if I want to sort all by question 2, you can see it goes 3, 3, 4, 4, 6, 6, 7, 8, 8, 8. That's, yeah. Anyway, that's not what we want. That's not random. So sort by the random column, A to Z. And then I want only 50 people. The first row is made up of the headings. So I scroll down to 50. 50 will actually be the 49th person. 51 is the 50th person. So I select everything from there on, down to the bottom, and if I right click on there, delete, and now I've just got 50 people left. So I've got a random sample of 50 people. All done. So you can do the same with your assignment data.